Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to hide the Windows icon, Windows start icon. After the disable it will not work. Okay, so click to start, type run and type the registry and then click to OK and then yes. So this is your registry, but guys, first we have to create a restore point. Click to start and type point. This is very important, and then click to configure. Oh sorry, create, to click on create and then type new, any you can name, enter any. Okay, wait few seconds, it will create within a minute. Okay, so it is restore point was created, then close it and then okay. Now open the registry and also need to backup. Click to file and then export and desktop, enter any name and then save. Okay, so guys, this is your registry. If you are changes and after that some issues in your system, so you have to just double click and then click to yes, so your system will be restore. After that click to okay. Okay, so this is your registry backup. Now next step, how to disable these icons unable to click after the okay. So first click to user and extract this, then find out the software, then Microsoft, then Windows, scroll down, come on Windows, and this is URL generating where we are where. Okay, you can see Windows, scroll down, come www extract. Now in the Windows, find out the current version, extract, then policies, policy. Okay, in the policies, if it is not showing Explorer, just right click new key and then type capital E Explorer. Okay, then in the right click Explorer, new DWRD32, click on it and then type no tray item display, N capital, T capital, I capital, D capital. Okay, then click. After the double click and the enter, is value is 1. Okay, after that it is disable. After restart will be, you can haven't work this start icon. So guys, 1 means disable and if you enter 0 means enable. Okay, and if you are unable to enable, find out, say come on same locations and you're confused and if you want to enable re-enable it, so you just double click to launch it. Okay, this is your registry backup and this is important. Okay, thank you guys, then restart and then please check it.